So oftentimes people hear of training core, training abs. They think about the 4 pack. Well, they think about the 1 pack, the 2 pack, the 3 pack, the 4 pack, the 5 pack, the 6 pack, 7 pack, 8 pack, and I've heard of some having 9 and 10 pack. When I think about core, I don't just think about normally what I think about. Well, normally I don't just think about the so-called 4 pack, 6 pack, 8 pack, or the 10 pack. I think about those tiny muscles that you have all over your body. Um, your core is not just in your abdomen. You got core, in my opinion, you have core muscles in your hips, in your thighs, in your calves, in your back, in your shoulders. You have, in my opinion, core muscles all over your body. The smaller muscles, that seems like they don't matter. That a lot of people, you don't really hear them talk about. A lot of people, you don't really hear them training. You hear them training, oh, I'm gonna do some crunches, work on my core. I'm gonna do some bicycles to work on my core. I'm gonna do some sit-ups to work on my core. Well, core doesn't just, in my opinion, stop there. Core does not just stop there. There's core muscles all over. I repeat, all over. There are core muscles in your lower back. There's core muscles supporting your spine. And the problem is, a lot of people get injured so easy, especially in their back and stuff, spaces like those in their knees. And you'd be surprised that the muscles in your hips are muscles that helps to support the function of your knee. Muscles up here that you normally don't focus on training. The hip flexor muscles, which are some muscles that people ignore a lot of the times. A lot of the times you hear people complaining about back pain. It's because a lot of the time some of them sit too much. It shuts off their hip flexors. And so when it shuts off your hip flexor, a lot of pressure is jolt to the back, to the lower back, to the spine. Because one of the muscles that is supposed to support the back and the spine and relieve it of the stressful tension, you're not using it. It's slowly dying. So don't just rely on sit-ups and crunches when you talk about your core, because sit-ups and crunches can take you so far when you're looking at being functional for years and years and end. Don't get me wrong, they're good, they're helpful, but You have to think about your body operating fully, fully, functionally. Your body operates when you're walking. Your hand complements your legs. Your head complements the rest of your body. Your toes complements your feet. You know, your glutes complement your knees. They all work together to execute the same motion. So when you're training core, there's nothing wrong with isolation. But the problem that I have is people isolate their core to be here when that's not all. It's very easy to it's very easy to get carried away with the notion that your 4-pack, your 6-pack, your 8-pack, or your 10-pack is your core. Right now, I'm doing this. Yes, it's targeting here. But you know where else it's targeting? My adductors, my abductors, my uh, my glute medius, my glute minimus, my glute maximus, my obliques, the muscles in my forearm, muscles in my fingers. It's it's recruiting muscles from all over my body, muscles in my head. Do we have muscles in our heads? Muscles in my head, in my eyes. Because I'm holding here. There's tension building up along the whole lines of my body. All muscles got to be firing to contribute to this functional movement. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with isolating and doing sit-ups and crunches for here. But at the end of the day, these still need to be recruited with the rest of your body for you to have a functional, a holistic, uh, standardized movement. It's not just here. Isolate all you want, but just don't forget to functionalize. Okay? It's very important to functionalize. They all work in synchrony. They all work together for the good of a better looking, strong, robust, venomous, conquerous, physique. Damn, I'm done. This is it. This is my piece. Peace.